Hello! In this video, you will learn: what are financial instruments? What affects them? What financial instruments can you trade on our platforms? A financial instrument is an asset that can be traded. It is a real or virtual document representing a legal agreement involving any kind of monetary value. Most types of financial instruments provide efficient flow and transfer of capital all throughout the world's investors. For example, currencies, commodities, indices, etc. There are many factors that determine the value of financial instruments. What affects financial instruments? If you want to be a successful trader, you have to stay up to date with global events news. Political crisis, virus outbreak, trade war are just some examples of what can affect the financial instrument value. Understanding what makes the market move is key knowledge for traders and investors to be able to predict trends and anticipate movements, so that they are able to analyze and decide on their next trade to make the profit. Knowing political and economical landscape is very important. Governments present the most powerful movers of the market. The strength of one economy and its currency is highly dependent on the flow of funds between countries. Prices rise and fall because of the supply and demand. Simply put, a product that is in demand with less supply has a higher price, while a product in excess with little or no demand is cheaper. One more major market mover are speculations and expectations of traders and investors. They are necessary components of the financial system as they influence the direction of a market trend. Natural or man-made disasters with economic consequences also affect the market. Let's say an earthquake happens in a city where there's lots of economic activity. Markets will move down as investors fear a negative impact on economic growth. What assets can you trade on our platforms? Agea Trade and Streamster are powerful trading platforms, which offer currency, index, and commodity contracts. There are 17 most traded currency pairs, 2 commodities, gold and silver, and 6 indices. We also offer the most popular trading platform, MetaTrader 4, which has 30 more currency pairs and 1 more commodity to trade besides gold and silver, oil. Thank you for watching. In our next video, learn about technical and fundamental analysis.